It's been whipped in. I've got the ball, but straight away, yo, like 5 of them try and press me, and I've lost possession right here. And they go for it, and they just miss. We need to be really careful because the Blues are picking things up, man. We need to get another goal, and we need it very, very soon. I've played the ball all the way over. Seb's on the ball, but Laddie clears it for the opposition team. He's doing everything to make sure that his team wins. We have the ball stuck in the corner. Is he going to whip it in? He goes through it. We go for the shot. And that's a handball, surely. After reviewing the footage, we can clearly see this player has touched the football with his hands, which means we have a penalty. If we score, we win.
If you score this,
Yeah.
we beat this level and we move on.
Yeah.
You've got this, bro.
Yeah.
Listen, any corner, he ain't gonna save it. Just do not go down the middle. That's all.
This is a big moment. Let's see who comes out on top.